Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Instagram to your Wix website. So from your left hand side we want to click on add elements, and here we want to select the search bar. We are going to search for Instagram feed, and it will show us this option, apps for your site, display your Instagram feed on your site. So we want to click on open. This is the official application. So here we can click to add this application to our site, and it might take a little bit of time, but it's going to look like this. So it will show us an example here for an Instagram page. We can click on manage links here, and we can add different links, or we can select the settings, and we wanna, from the main page, we wanna connect the business account or connect a personal account. So depending on what type of account you have on Instagram, you can connect it through this page, and you can also display different things like profile photo, followers, if you can hide your followers by unchecking this. You can also show the app in different languages, the app direction, you can edit some buttons here, the layout as well, and the design altogether, so you can change some colors. But basically that's how you connect your Instagram to your page. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.